right now. People all over the world are earning between $500 and $5,000 every single month. From side hustles, they can start today. The best part? No experience is needed. No degree is required. You never have to show your face. If you're ready to unlock new income streams, stick around. In this video, ULL discover the 7 most profitable side hustles of 2025 that you can launch with zero upfront cost. Let's dive right in. First up, side hustle number 1, AI video editing. Think about it. Content creators are in a constant race to upload more videos than ever before. But here's their biggest problem. Most of them simply do and have the time to edit their own content. This is where you come in. Using powerful AI tools like Descript, Runway, and Kapwing, you can edit videos faster and more efficiently than ever thought possible. You can easily charge between $30 and $150 per video. A great way to start is by offering a few free edits to small YouTubers. This builds your portfolio and, more importantly, it builds trust. Before you know it, you'll be hitting that $1,000 per month mark with ease. Next, let's talk about side hustle number 2, digital product templates. This is the ultimate create once, sell forever model. Imagine designing a template for a Notion dashboard, a professional resume, a digital planner, or a social media kit. Once it's made, you can sell it over and over again on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. The earning potential here is massive, ranging from $500 to a staggering $8,000 per month. The secret is to find what's already trending, then create a better, more valuable version. It's about improving on success, not reinventing the wheel. Moving on to side hustle number 3, faceless YouTube channels. You absolutely do not need to show your face to build a massive and profitable YouTube empire. It's true. You can use ChatGPT to generate compelling scripts in minutes. Then, grab high-quality stock footage from sites like Pexels or Storyblocks. For a professional voiceover, tools like ElevenLabs can create incredibly realistic human-like audio. The most successful faceless channels, especially in evergreen niches like business, technology, and personal finance, are pulling in anywhere from $3,000 to $50,000 per month just from ad revenue and affiliate marketing. Let's explore side hustle number 4, the AI appointment setter. This one is a game changer for local businesses. Your job is to help them convert their leads, people interested in their services, into actual booked appointments. You do this by setting up and managing automated systems. This is perfect for businesses like gyms, hair salons, dentists, and real estate agents who are often too busy to follow up with every single inquiry. For this service, you can earn a recurring fee of $500 to $3,000 per month from each client you work with. Now for side hustle number 5, the AI consultant. Businesses of all sizes are desperate to integrate artificial intelligence into their operations. But they have one huge problem. They don't know where to start. You can be the expert they turn to. Offer services like setting up AI-powered email writing systems, building intelligent customer service chatbots, or creating automated workflows to save them time and money. As an AI consultant, you can charge anywhere from $50 to $150 per hour, or offer project-based packages starting at $1,000. Our 6th profitable idea is local lead generation. This is a powerful yet surprisingly simple business model. You build simple one-page websites for specific local services. For example, a site for emergency roof repair in Denver. Then, use basic SEO techniques to get that site ranked on the first page of Google. Once the phone starts ringing with people who need that service, you sell those leads directly to local businesses like roofers, plumbers, and landscapers. These businesses are more than happy to pay for qualified customers. You can easily make $300 to $2,500 per month per site on autopilot. Finally, side hustle number 7, the microservice agency. Instead of offering a huge, complex service, you focus on providing small but highly valuable microservices. Think about things businesses need constantly. Creating short-form video captions, editing Instagram Reels, or designing social media graphics. You can start by doing the work yourself to build a client base. Then, as you grow, you can outsource the tasks to freelancers and scale your agency. This model has the potential to earn anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Now here's the reality check. Most people will watch a video just like this one, feel inspired for a moment, and then do absolutely nothing. They'll keep scrolling, and nothing in their life will change. But a small percentage, the people who are truly ready for a change, will take action. They're the ones who start earning real money, often within just a few weeks. Don't be a passive watcher. Be an action taker. Pick one of these 7 side hustles, the one that excites you the most. Start today. If you're serious about building a real, profitable business without ever needing to be on camera, and you want more step-by-step tutorials and in-depth guides, make sure you subscribe to Side Hustle Success Studio right now. Thanks for watching, and let's get to work.